Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change password on Pinterest. So first of all, make sure to open the saved or your Pinterest profile section at the app, then go into settings by tapping at these three horizontal dots. Onwards, go for the account management category, then password, and we'll change the password. Therefore, first of all, enter what is your current password, then enter a new one and confirm a new one password by re-entering it. Then tap at the done button over here. And here you have it, password has been successfully updated. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you around. Bye bye.